Hello friends. Welcome back to Taste of Mountain. Today, we are making a dish that is royal in flavor and incredible in aroma, Chitol Fish Curry. So let's begin, where every step will give you a new aroma and a new taste experience. Friends, we have a fresh Chitol fish weighing around 2 kilos, also known as clown knife fish. Just look at its shine, such a beautiful fish. Its skin is smooth and silvery, with a soft yet firm texture, and its long curved body gives it a truly royal appearance. Now we'll carefully cut the fish. From this long fish, we'll cut some patty-style pieces and some round slices. The cutting is complete. On the cut fish pieces, first sprinkle a little salt and 1 teaspoon turmeric. Then add just a little mustard oil. Mustard oil gives a mild sharp aroma and helps the salt and turmeric coat better. Now coat each piece properly one by one. Marination enhances the flavor deep inside the fish. Place a wok on the stove and heat oil on medium flame. When the oil is hot, add the fish pieces one by one. Don't add too many pieces together. Fry them slowly on medium heat. After 2 to 3 minutes, flip the fish. See, it's turning lightly golden. This is the perfect color we need. Flip them 1 to 2 times so they fry evenly. The first batch is ready. Take it out and keep aside. Now fry the second batch the same way and remove it. Next, it's time to grind fresh spices on a traditional stone grinder. This enhances the flavor even more. First, make a fresh ginger paste and keep it aside. Then grind cumin and green chilies into a smooth paste and keep them separately. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Taste of Mountain and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. Cut 1 large potato into 4 pieces and shallow fry them. Flip them as they fry. Once they turn lightly golden, remove them. Remember, don't deep fry, just a thin golden layer is enough. Now add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 dry red chillies, 1 bay leaf cut in half. When the spices release their aroma, lower the flame. Now add 2 tablespoons cumin paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste. Saute it slowly on low flame. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh green chili paste, adjust as per taste. Add a little water so it doesn't burn. Now add puree of 1 medium tomato and mix well. Then add 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder. Saute the masala on medium flame. When the oil starts separating and the raw smell disappears, you'll know the masala is perfectly cooked. Now add the shallow fried potatoes and gently mix. When the masala thickens and dries slightly, add 2 to 3 cups of water for gravy. Turn the flame to high and let it boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Look at the color now, bright, rich, and beautiful. Into this boiling gravy, add the fried chitol fish pieces. Cover with a lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame so the masala absorbs into the fish. Open the lid and see. Our Chitol fish curry is ready. Soft, perfectly coated with spices, and the aroma, enough to make anyone hungry instantly. Friends, Chitol fish curry tastes heavenly with hot steamed rice. Do try it at home and serve it to your family. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Taste of Mountain. See you again with another wonderful recipe. Thank you.